In previous videos, we became familiar with programming language, learned a little about Java and how to set up Java. If you haven't watched previous videos, then please watch them first because all videos are linked and if any video is missed, then it might be difficult to understand what's going on. So guys, please do not miss any video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now, let's begin with our first Java program. Let's create a file with the name sample.java inside any folder of your choice by pressing right click anywhere inside the folder and selecting new text file. Since the text file's predefined extension .txt has been changed to .java extension, there will be a warning pop-up which we have to ignore and select yes. Now open this file in Notepad. Every Java program must be started with class, keyword and any class name of our choice. For simplicity, let's name it as sample. As we have named this file as sample.java, so we are naming it sample. Now inside curly braces, we are going to define entry point for any Java program, which is main method. This is how we define entry point for our sample program. Public static void main string args. Here public means this sample class is visible and accessible to all. Static is another keyword which is used here to call main method without object creation. You will learn more about static later. Void is the return type for main method. Return type for any function should always be prior to the method name. Main method accepts string array and it is used for command line arguments. Also, we will learn all these in detail later. Now, inside the main method, we are going to print hello. To display anything on screen, we use system.out.println. Any string which is passed inside this method will be displayed on screen. You are going to use this a lot in Java, so remember this line. Now, let's execute our first program. To execute Java programs, we need command prompt. Open command prompt and navigate to the folder where our Java file is. Or you can use a shortcut. Simply click in the navigation bar where Java file is. Type cmd and press enter. This will open command prompt already navigated to the current folder. Now, execution of a Java program is two-step process. First, compile the program by using command javac with the file name, where C stands for compile and file name is the file which we want to compile. As you can see, our program is compiled successfully and corresponding class file is generated, which is our bytecode. Now, to run this bytecode, or you can say to run our Java program, we have to execute another command, java class name. Here comes the output. The string that was passed inside system.out.println is displayed as output here. Congratulations! You have successfully executed first Java program. So guys, in this video, we learnt our first Java program. If you face any difficulty at any step of this video, or if you have any query, please mention in comment section and I will try to resolve them.